Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm coming from Tarpon Point Marina in Cape Coral. And like I promised in my previous videos, I was going to do a tour of the West End and the Marina area. Here I am, okay? Right behind me, that's Tarpon Point Marina. So let's get going and let's take the tour. Welcome to Tarpon Point Marina. This video I'm gonna do a little bit different than my others. I'm gonna go ahead and go from this part of Tarpon Point all the way to the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing a little bit about what happened during the hurricanes. You're gonna be able to see the restaurants are open, and also I want to let you know that if you're interested in knowing the prices for homes near Tarpon Point in this community right here, like the towers, they also have villas and they also have estate homes. If you want to know the prices, I'm going to put a link below for you to know the prices to live in Tarpon Point. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to make it very I'm not going to be interrupting anymore, so enjoy the music and check out Tarpon Point. And I just want to let you know that Pictures is open for the people that ask me. The Western restaurant is also open, and a lot of other little restaurants in the way, they're open. The reason why you can't see them, people outside, is because it's 2 o'clock, the sun is hitting on the side and it's hot, but inside the restaurant itself, there's people sitting in there. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please write down your comments, what you think about the video, and give me a like if you like it. Will really help me to promote my video in the YouTube. Okay, so remember, if you're looking for property in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I has been selling real estate in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 20 years. Well, enjoy the video.